people, you know, ever since I started this YouTube journey, I realized that with regard to your video titles, the more topical it is, the more people will click on it. So this is like a clickbait saying that, you know, the nicest thing that I've from this Raj Ranveer Deepika wedding, which is called the Ravir wedding or something like that. It's yeah, like yeah, the two names they club it together is the fact that we've all kind of seen Deepika Padukone go through. It was a very public knowledge that she had gone through depression and all, but now look at her pictures. Yeah, she's so happy. So it's like, so this gives hope to all of us, yeah, that if you've been through a rough phase, just hold on, that very soon a good phase is on its way. So I just need to thank this couple and wish them all the very best, that they make us believe in, that there can be good things that will happen, especially after you've been through a rough phase. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.